What's going on, folks? Live on Facebook, live everywhere. Okay, what's happening today? Everybody, welcome. Tuesday tech stuff for Facebook is when I'm talking about what I try to do on Tuesdays to give you some insight of what's going on with using technology to market your business. Today we'll talk about a lot of things. What is the Facebook stories? I don't know how many of y'all are familiar with Facebook stories. Let me go over here. Facebook stories is a great tool to market your business. Let's go over here and share this out. Okay, let me go here. There I am on my Facebook page. Your story. Let's get a good examination. All right, make sure I'm okay showing this. Facebook stories. This is a great tool for marketing your business. Okay, let's go back. This is my thing I just put up today. This is other people. I don't know why this keeps going out here. Facebook story things. Let's go back out here. Let me go over here. You see different ones on here. It's a great way to share your tools, information, all sorts of stuff to people. Using this tool, I use this tool all the time to share out my information to folks online, especially using Facebook. Great tool to use. It's even more engaging than just posting on Facebook. A lot of things you can use, like the GIF, if you're wanting to market something on Facebook with the stories. You go in here. Let's see, this is right up here. Okay, no, I don't want to do that. It's a gift that you use when you're marketing a story or whatever. Okay, let's go back out of here. These are different stories on there. You see a lot of people on here doing these type of things. Let's go back. Okay, let's do it. You can add this. Let's go do this. You can add this to your stories. Well, let's do this. Let's do this first. Let's take this off. I can post this. I know that's not wrong. Share. Does it let you? Okay, public. I'm not trying to share to public. Okay, this might not do what I want to do. Okay, this is not doing what I want to do. So let's. But there's a way to do this. You can add the things to the stories. Let me take this off of here. Delete this. Yeah, delete that part. Okay, let me see if I can find something I can do this with. Let's see, this is add. Share the group. Well, what I was trying to show you is how to add to your stories. And it doesn't seem like I can do. Let me see this. Let's go back here. Let me see. Okay, here we go. Share stories. Okay, let's go back here. Try this again. I'm trying my thing. I'm trying to think how I did this. Share public, share stories. Okay, let's go back here. All right. There's a way of doing this, but I'm not sure. Okay, you can do some stuff on here, share the story. Well, let's go back. Okay. Well, with anything, you can do this. When you go on there, you'll see it's in the upper right-hand corner, and it lets you do GIFs, certain things like that for your story and stuff. Let me go back, let me go here. see if I can go back here. Internet connection, a little unstable. What's going on here? Okay, here. Let's go here. Does that let me do this? I'm not sure. No, it doesn't. I'm trying to, you know what? It may be on my, a lot of times I do this stuff on my phone. So I'm on the desktop, so I'm not sure how to, but you can share the stories and add little GIFs and stuff on here, like I did here. And then usually at the upper hand corner, you can add emojis and stuff. It just gives a more engaging thing to your Facebook pages. So that's something I wanted to share with you also. Get off of here. One of the other things I wanted to share, if people not even noticing how that works, is the it lets you play your webinars or lives, I should say. What is it? Oh, look, let me see what I'm trying to find here. Trying to find one of my posts. What do they call that? I'm having a memory fart here, people. It lets you replay a lot of video lives that you might have done. Okay, watch party. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, watch party. Okay, here it is. Right here, there's this let me go back off here. Make sure I'm sharing this right. Okay, let's go here. Make sure I'm sharing this right. Watch party. Watch parties are great tools also to create more engagement and really to get more engagement, create leads and everything for your engagement and development on Facebook. Okay, what's going on here, people? I see something. I hope I ain't freeze up on folks. Well, right here you can create what they call a watch party. And this lets you can add videos to it. You can start a watch party right here. You can start and share it to groups. This is a great tool also for those who want to, you want more engagement on Facebook. These are certain tools that Facebook has given to you as using Facebook, story selling, and watch party. They even add advertisements, like I said, using the story and the watch party. Watch party are great tools, people, to engage your audience using these tools. There's tools out here that help you engage your audience, folks. I don't know why people are not using them the way they should. They're great tools, folks. They're great tools. And for you not to be engaging and using these tools, you're leaving money on the table. And you're leaving a lot of stuff on the table that you're not, wow, am I frozen? Can't tell. On the other thing, I'm looking frozen. Let me see, am I frozen here? Okay, I'm not sure what's going on. So, but the watch party are great tools, so I'm serious. If you're not using it, you leaving money on the table. You're not. These are tools you can use, and it cuts down your expense on ads. You ain't got to use the ad things all the time. Okay, those tools are great. What's going on here? Did I lose? Let me go off of here. I don't know if I lost. No, I'm still on Facebook. I'm looking on my laptop. It looks like maybe it's a delay. I'm not sure. Let me go off of here. I had a thing that said there was an unstable stability connection stuff. I'm always having some streaming issue. I've been talking with Spectrum, trying to get a more stable connection, but AT&T, it sucks. I don't know if any of y'all got problems with AT&T. But I've been having problems with instability, with you know, using live stuff. I use a lot of live streaming on my, especially stuff like this that I'm trying to share and teach people on what's going on. If you're not, let people know if you're not using these things, they're great tools, people, great tools. Did you know, I don't know if you knew also with your, what is this? With these tools, you can also download your video. Let's go back. If you want to repurpose video, you can actually download video. What's this? Right here. You can edit video. Okay, that's not where I want to show you. I know you can download video, upload stuff. Let me go back. Let's go here. Here's what I'm gonna show you.
On my sun points tonight.
Right,
it's 76 degrees here in Columbus, Ohio. In February, and I'm on my sun points. At this time, it's still winter, technically. But what I'm doing this little Facebook Live for, because I just had another discussion with this. I don't know who this group is. This guy is a CMS or CMI, whatever.
Okay, you can, these videos, let me see if I can do this. If it'll let me do it. You can actually download these videos. Let me move this around. Come on, Jeff. Okay, right here. Right up here. It's around. Where it says download video, you can actually download this video and put it into your editing, your video editing, and chop it up and do what you want with it. And what I do a lot of times, I do download these videos and I'll repurpose them maybe, or the ones I've done, repurpose them on and upload them to YouTube. So these are the kind of things you can do also with video, using Facebook. We got all these tools, people. They're here. They're here for you. They're here to help you
something
with your
I've been
marketing.
About.
And if you don't, this is why I'm showing this all. This is what I did back in 2017. Wow. So Facebook allows you to do a lot of things. Oh, I have a YouTube channel right here. You can see the YouTube Gregory Smith Marketing Concepts. That's my YouTube channel. So if you want to get more training information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be transitioning over the next 6 months my information. When I used to have blogs, I'll be transferring from regular blogging to blogging, which means I'm gonna do video, more concentration on video blogs than actually handwritten blogs. So stay tuned for that. When all that stuff is gonna be completed on that Friday transition, that Friday out that I usually do on Fridays. I'm going to be transferring that to more live, more video than written. Even though on my blogs I have a lot of I have live video, but my blogs are going to be called vlogs. What's a vlog? Vlog is nothing but a blog. It's a video blog. That's all. So when you go on, and I'm going to be marketing, transitioning towards that. Now my Gregory Smith .online is going to be more of a homepage than a blogging page. I'll let you know when we transition into that type of thing within the next 6 months on that. So those are the type of things that are going to be happening in this year. Some different things have been happening, changing some things, some transitioning into some different marketing strategies, being more efficient. I find I'm a little more efficient probably with doing video. I like doing video. Video it's kind of, for me, it's kind of easier doing video than writing a lot of stuff. I'm gonna be transferring. There's a lot of things I'm gonna do with video I'm gonna transfer into text and ebooks. So stay tuned for those type of things that are going to be happening in the next 6 months during the summer with business and stuff. So I'll let you know when those type of things happen, and I may share how those type of things I'm going to be doing. It's all about leverage, people. And I've always been saying it's always going to be about leverage. If I can find something to make my business online easier, I'm more efficient and streamline it, and I'm going to do it. And for those of you who are interested in those concepts, I will share that too with you. Okay? With that being said, I've just been on here about 16, 17 minutes. That's all I really got to share today. You know, tomorrow we got our special training. With a training every Wednesday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll leave a link so you can go register for that. That training is every Wednesday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, all right? With that being said, I hope you got value from here at the Tuesday Tech Stuff for Business. This is Greg Smith Online. People, I hope you got value. Share this out if you got value. Share it out to your colleagues. Share it out to whoever you know. With that being said, peace out. Take care. I'm out.